What is up, everyone? This is Gospel here. So quickly, I just want to share with you how you can use the PLP file I shared with you in the previous video. And then some of you are having kind of difficulties accessing the file, so let me show you how to do that quickly. All right. So when you locate the video, this is how it's going to be. So you just have to watch the video to the end. Once you watch the video to the end, you have access to the password, right? You have access to the password. Now, after getting access to the password, you just have to go ahead and download the PLP files over here, right? You need to download the PLP files over here. So let me tap on a link and it will take me to the Google Drive link. And all that I have to do is to tap on the download icon over here. So I'll just have to download it quickly like that. I already have it on my phone, so I will just tap on download again as well. So it will be downloaded. All right, so good, it's been downloaded right here. Now before you go ahead and open it, you need to install this application on your phone, Z Archive. All right, you need to install this application on your phone. So I'm going to make use of this application to open up the PLP file we just downloaded, right? So I'll tap on open, and when you tap on open, this will be the default this one interface of the application, right? So I have to locate my downloads folder. So I'll tap on downloads, then I'll look for the zip file, right, which is a Serene Arts PLP file. So let me quickly search through my downloads and see. Okay, Serene Arts, let me see. Okay, it should be here. Good, it is here. So let me show you quickly. Sorry for that. Yeah, this is it. This is the first one I've downloaded, and this is the second one. So I'll just select any of them. They are the same thing. So I'll tap on it and they'll ask me to unzip it. Okay, so I'll tap on extract here, right? Extract here. That means I'm extracting it into my downloads folder. So I'll tap on extract here, and there they'll ask me for the password. So I'll just have to go ahead and enter the password, then I proceed from there. Okay, so let me do that quickly. So having entered the password, I'll just have to tap on OK. Okay, so it has extracted the file successfully. So the contents of the folder will now pop up. So let me quickly go to the folders column so that I can have access to all the details right now. Okay, so I'm going to open one of the files. Okay, I'm going to open one of the files, right, to show you as an example. So this is the extracted folder. It is now available for you to open after using the password. You can come back to it over here, tap on it, open it, and I'll select one of the PLP files over here to show you uh, how you can import it into your 𝒕𝒐𝒓. So all these things over here, they are PLP files, right? We have 7 of them. So let me use the second to last, which is Serene Art Church Flyer PLP4. So I'll long press on it. After that, I'll go to copy. Now I'll copy it and paste into my 𝒕𝒐𝒓 folder, right? For that matter, the presets folder in 𝒕𝒐𝒓. So watch what I'll do. Okay, I'm going to tap over here so that I'll get to the home page. Okay, I'll select what, device memory, because the 𝒕𝒐𝒓 folder is on my device memory. Okay, so I'll tap on it, then it will bring me to this interface. Over here, I'll locate my 𝒕𝒐𝒓 folder, which is right here. Okay, sorry, this one. Let me show you this one. Okay, this is the 𝒕𝒐𝒓 folder. So I'll tap on it and I'll tap on presets. So after tapping on presets, I'll go ahead and tap on this icon, which is for paste. Okay, after tapping on it, it will enable me to paste. So I'll tap on it. Now I already have the PLP file over here. Okay, I already have one over here, so I'll go ahead and tap on replace to replace the old one over here. So let's replace it quickly. Good. So I've replaced it. Okay, they said the file this one has already exists. Okay, so I just have to replace it like that. Okay, I've replaced it, and other ones are also copying. You can check from the sizes. Okay, but for your case it will not be like this. Okay, it will not be like this since this is your first time you are going to do it. Okay, so that is it. After replacing it, then you go back to your pixel lab. When you go back to your pixel lab, you are going to see it, right? So what I'll do is I'll tap on projects, and what we should see now is Serene at church flyer PLP for this particular one, this one over here, right? So you just have access to it in your pixel lab, then you can use it from there straightforward. Okay, so basically that is it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bless up.